Sabi ko, you might be sa dalawa, tatlo. Pero dalawa, pag tatlo ako na ang masasabit dyan as your commander-in-chief. Kung mag-rape ka. You know why? Because yaman ang kalaban ng sundalo. Ang sundalo walang kalaban eh. Especially the American soldier. There has never been any fighting since Vietnam. Ang kalaban ng mga sundalo na Amerikano, yung mga Pilipina na babae pinagre-rape nila. Kasi dyan ako. So that's what I told Chelsea. Why? When your father was screwing Lewinsky and the rest of the young girls there in the office of the president, on the table, on the floor, on the sofa, did you raise any? Mahirap na magsabi. I was not joking. Sarcastic ako na pagkatao. Yan mo ko. Hindi ako tumatawa. I am fond of hyperbole tapos sarcasm. Ganon talaga ako magsalita. I'm just warning the soldiers. You know, guys, you. But then balik tayo dito sa they kept on coming back. I cannot now remember the time I decided to run. Yung una, the filing, I did not. Kasi ayaw ko talaga. And so there was a lot of disappointment, ng hinayang. Well, itong grupo na to, I could sense their vim and vigor to campaign. It came to pass na naging presidente ako. So I got them into government service. First, I told everybody not to use low-numbered plates. I do not like it. Nakukornihan ako. Sa Bisaya yan na nahihilasan nga. Tumitindig yung balahibo kung kita ng gano'n. Because once upon a time, my father was also a cabinet member during the first term of Marcos. He was the Secretary of General Services. And at that time, I could remember the warning of my father to his driver and not to use the number 6 plate number. Kasi sabi ng tatay ko, kita mo yung mga tao kung magtingin sa atin. Di ba masyadong uso yung tint na you could almost guess what's in their mind. Pera nila, gasolina nila, tapos ikaw yan you sit in comfort and wallow in, samantala sila hirap sa traffic, hirap. That's the reason why I do not accept invitations local here. Because every time I use the public streets, akala mo malinis ang daan, parang Bernie Santo. But actually, I know na lahat ng kantong dadaanan mo, and they estimate your the leaving and arrival, but mga 15 minutes, nakabara na yung mga kanto. And everybody else goes to the sides. And you just don't know how you create exponential trouble behind those sa kanto na pinara mo. It piles up sa likod. Kaya hindi ako talaga tumatanggap. I'm sorry, but kasi nagta-traffic eh. Nahihiya ako sa mga tao. But if I can use the chopper, the helicopter, mas mabuti pa. Kuntahin mo yung gasolina na magamit mo at kontra yung sa gasolina ng wasted time and hours of the people. It's amount to nothing. Nung presidente na ako, appointed this guy and them to different office. Now, the first time I noticed he was the one first to go out of the country. Went to Washington and brought along some local officials. So, tahimik lang ako. Because I told everybody not to use it sparingly. Na wag masyadong, walang low numbered. And I said, do not expect special treatment. I do not want you to. Ang tao talaga, I don't know, but there seems to be an agenda all and every other people's mind. They may want to appear to you as a crusader, as a reformist, or whatever. Pero kung kayo ang andyan, bantay kayo, there's always that nakatago. Hindi ko naman kasi lahat naman tayo dito mahirap. Kung mayaman kayo, bakit magkita-kita dito para trabaho? Trabaho sa gobyerno talagang patayan ito sa oras.